treated every day as like a battle wherein I needed to convince myself na ma-worth it again yung tanan po kun. So, like, there is consistency, not only motivation. And personally put, like sa ako, okay, I try to space out good my study sessions, my rest days, para dili na ako ma-burnout. However, I made sure though nga I can study at least bisag mga 1 hour at least per day, even during rest days. So during my Sundays sad kay I spent time in reviewing kay I knew sad nga if I really wanted to top the board exam, this is what I should be doing. So I just tried to act like a top-notcher and therefore na manifest yun siya. And I guess with technicalities with sa akong pag-study, kaya I relied more on active recall and practice questions. I focused more on how I arrived to the answer. Pag-rationalize na ako towards that certain answer. And I made sure that I know and I was able to learn from my mistakes.
Sir, Byron, sir, no? Kumusta man usab, no? Ang imo karon nga support system, sir, sa imo karon pagtunga og ingon man sa examination.
Like the rest, sir, ako ang support system good foremost is God. Every day throughout review season, especially before sa ako mga pre-test, before sa ako mga long tests, pre-boards, kaya mag-pray good ko. And then, one to I like treated each exam as the final exam na good. And I prayed na hopefully I can answer well and that I can apply it po sa board exam. And next would probably be my late grandfather. And I think it was around a year ago man good, and his death anniversary kay pag November 14. And it was around then, last year, when I decided yun nga, I would try my best yun nga, mang yun yung makapa-proud sa kong lolo. So I did my best nga, makatop yun. And I think it was through his high guidance po ba nga, nakatop na yun ko. And next is my entire family, my mother, my grandmother, akong brother, my relatives, and others. Kaya whenever I needed someone nga, I can lean on na ba, nga, if ever, kanang mga things po nga that I need, especially throughout review season, kay they're always there to catch me. And again, shout out lang po sa ako ang mga friends, both sa CNU during review. Mga na siya ako mga what I'd like to call as internal friends, yung mga gyud ka nang involved yun ako throughout review season. Ug napugay ka ng mga friends external nga whenever I needed someone to talk to nga, if dili available mga internal friends kay narasad sila, like they're always willing to lend an ear. And whenever kanang ma-stress ko sa review, kanang namgitay times nga ma-depressed ta, especially during exams, mga practice exams nga pag may kitag scoring yan na it's very nice good nga nagyoy maminaw nimo, nagyoy there's someone to try to relate to you. So muna siya ako ang main support systems throughout review.
Sir Byron, no, kumusta man, no, nga na-cancel ang inyong examination atong bagyong Tino, napiktahan ba sa usab ka or nabahaan ba usab ka atong nga panahona?
Thankfully sa mga to sir kay wala na gimigibaan and kanang mahulog nga safe rami adto, pero nag-world kung tama na to like the night before exam kay I was worried ba like doubtful ko whether madayon ba exam kay they were already kanang since nga na chance ma-delay if ever nga maabot ni siya signal number 4 nga na. So I tried staying up late sad kay para ma-anticipate na ko nga if cancel na siya at least kabaw ko nga hindi na ako need to wake up earlier. Yeah, moto kay dili na mo siya makaya since very late man to siya nga gi-announce good around kadlaw na sad. So natulog na ko. Nag-expect ko nga nigmatan ako kay mo take na sa exam. So moto pag matan ako kay kusog ng kay hangin like ma-feel ginaw kanang so like from outside. Yeah, moto pag-check na sa notification sa moto cancel gid ay nya after a while kay nag-burn out sad and like Helena kay nag-burn out sa mga for the next 2 days and I think around a day after na siya ning balik after sa board exam na mo. So nag-research ko ato kung unsaon ako pag-apas og study nga wala may quarantine na. So I improvised na lang. I went to find an available nga co-working space and thankfully naka-find na sad ko. So I was able to study agyapon pero at night kay mo na siyang lisod kanang dili gid mo study at night. Pero I just convinced myself pud nga it would be better nga if dili na ko mag-study at night kay para makapawa na sa lang brain ba kay in the next 2 days I'll be taking that exam na good. So final na good siya nga. Nika November 6 and 7 mag-exam na mi. So I think thankful asad ko nga na-extend siya and thankful asad ko sa opportunities nga na present sa ko nga naka-study ay gyapon ko despite the limitations.